Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Skull and Bones error code KINGFISHER-00000004? You're not alone. This error typically reads, failed to connect to Ubisoft services, and can pop up while logging into Skull and Bones or launching the game. Some players have shared that they can play the game, and this error is just a notification, but it keeps popping up, leading to disturbing the game. So, why does this error occur? It might be due to conflicting game settings or a temporary glitch with the game or your account, but don't worry, there are ways to fix it. First up, try turning off the text widget. Some players have found this to be an effective solution. Simply head to the settings, click on the interface tab, and disable the text widget. Close the game and relaunch it to see if this resolves the issue. If the error persists, it's time to try a system restart. Shut down your device for around 5 minutes, then power it back on and check if the error is still there. Still no luck? It might be time to check for game updates. Sometimes errors like these can be due to a bug that's been fixed in a newer version of the game. Finally, if you have access to an alternate profile, try switching profiles on your PlayStation console. Some players found success by logging into another profile, playing the game, and then switching back to their default profile. In summary, the Skull and Bones error code. KINGFISHER-00000004 can be caused by conflicting game settings, a temporary glitch with the game or your account, or even a bug in an older version of the game. The fixes we've discussed today include turning off the text widget, restarting your device, updating the game, and switching between profiles. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.